if you want to fix personal hotspot not working, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to fix the hotspot settings. Go ahead to the settings, go to the personal hotspot, all right, and make sure that you connect the personal hotspot, all right, and make sure that you turn off the maximize compatibility, right? And after turning off, check if the personal hotspot is closed or has been connected or not. And if it's disconnected, then turn off the lower power mode right here, right? The one that I'm clicking on it, all right? So after you turn off the low power mode, you're gonna be able to just go ahead and start using it again, right? And if you want to do it manually, go ahead to the battery right here and make sure that the low power mode is turned off, and try your personal hotspot now on, and make sure to see if that works. So if the problem persists, what you're gonna do, go ahead to display brightness in the main settings, and then basically you're gonna see the auto clock. Go ahead and click on it and make sure that you click never, right? And try your personal hotspot again and see if it turns off or something like that. The personal hotspot, of course. And now what you're gonna do, if you still facing that issue, go to the cellular, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, right? You're gonna see the Wi-Fi assist. Make sure that you just shut it down, toggle off the switch. After turning off, check if the personal hotspot has been connected or not, okay? And if you still facing that issue, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go and turn off the low data mode by going to your settings, and then go ahead to the Wi-Fi, and then go ahead and click on the eye next to the Wi-Fi icon, okay? And basically you're gonna see the low data mode, right? Make sure that you turn it off and double check if your personal hotspot is working or not. If you're still facing that issue, you're gonna force restart. Swipe down to your control center, right, and click the switch off at the top right, and then reopen your iPhone, and that should fix your problem, okay? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.